awaited folk song. You're welcome to this section. Nene udum araputamo. Now I'm going to teach you the song. This song was sung in a story. It's a folk story where a mother had a need to get water. Now, let me start from the beginning. We have learned that when we want to start a story, we say, Ifo me, whoa. So it's like story. Ifo me, you have to say, whoa. When I say Ifo me, you say, whoa. Onwere otu nwaanyị bi n'ụlọ no. Wee nwee ezigbo nwa a na-akpọ Adama. Nwa ya machasịalụ mma. O ruo otu mgbe o wee sị Adamma jee chute mmiri. Ka Adamma na-apụ, ọ kpọbata ya n'ime ụlọ dọọ ya aka na ntị. Wee sị Adamma n'anya, ite eji echu mmiri n'ụlọ agwụwasịgo, so ofu nke a fọdụlụ. Ihe eje na-ede anya na gbada anya wee jee echute mmiri na mmiri adọrọ n'ụlọ. O nwere mmiri eji awụ arụ, nwere nke eji esi nri, jee chute mmiri. Gbada anya ka ihe gbenemene ite ịpa n'isi, udu ịpa n'isi. Adamma wee jebe ka o jee chutekwenu mmiri, wee chutechekwenu mmiri. Chuteche mmiri mma wee na-anata, wee na-eje nwayọọ maka na ọ chọrọ ka udu gbawa, ọ chọrọ ka udu ọpa n'isi daa gbawa. Ọ na-ejekwenu nwayọọ. Ihe afụzikwa bụ gbaa! Ofu ihe achịla Adamma danana. Imazire menu ite ọpa n'isi, udu ọpa n'isi adanana wee kụwa. Ọkụ adịghị obele, ọ kụwasịrị nkụwasị wee kụwacha. Adamma wee pala aka n'isi wee bebe akwa. Wee na-ebe gịnị ka ọ ya gwa nne o, n'udu arapụtakwa na ya o, hee gịnị ka ọ ga-eme o. So let me just summarize this in English for you. Even though I know by now you should be able to interpret it. Okay, so once upon a time, in a beautiful home, there was this woman that had a very lovely, intelligent daughter. Her name was Adamma. At a certain time, they needed water in the house. Okay? And so Adamma was asked to go fetch some water. Then, back in the days, there were no taps, no borehole. So we go to the stream to get water. And then the water from the stream was very, very clean, because it was naturally flowing from the rocks. So it was very clean. So we'll all go with our pots on our head, a special kind of pots, clay pots, that will fetch the water and bring it home. So we now fill up the other bigger clay pots in the house so that we'll have water to cook and other things. So Adamma was at this point asked to go get water. But before she left, her mother pulled her ears and warned her and said, Adamma, take a look at the house. There is no other pot in the house. This is the only one we use to get water. Please be careful. Do all you can to ensure that you do not break the pots. Be careful and get water for the house, okay? Adamma set off to go get water. Adamma is very intelligent, and she went carefully. She went safely to the stream. She's been going there, so she went safely to the stream, got the water, and on her way back, she was very careful. Somehow, she slipped and fell. And when she fell, the pot udu ite fell and broke into pieces. And then she remembered all the caution, all the warnings her mother gave her, and she began to sob. She began to cry. What will I tell my mother? What will I tell my mother? So we're going to learn the song Adama was singing while she was crying. Okay? Let's go. It goes like this. Nene, udu mara pụta mo, udu. There's always a chant at the background, okay? So we sing it twice. Nene, udu mara pụta mo, udu. Nene, udu mara pụta mo, udu. That is my mother. My mother. This pot has put me in trouble. Udunji chụọ mmiri Adana na gbawa udu. Udunji chụọ mmiri Adana na gbawa udu. The drum or the pot I used to fetch water fell down and broke into pieces. Udunji chụọ mmiri Adana na gbawa udu. Udunji chụọ mmiri Adana na gbawa udu. It means the pot I used to fetch water fell down and broke into pieces. Alright? Now let's take the two lines again. You ready? Nene udu mara pụta mo, udu. Nene udu mara pụta mo, udu. Udunji chụọ mmiri Adana na gbawa udu. Udunji chụọ mmiri Adana na gbawa udu. Alright? Nene mo, udu. So the chant at the background is udu, udu, udu. So nene mo, udu, nene mo, udu. Udu is what we call the pot, the clay pot we use to fetch water, or we use to store water in the house. Those clay pots also serve as a mini fridge because they keep the water very cold, and you drink it, it feels very fresh. No matter how hot the sun is, if you go into the room to take water from the clay pots, it tastes very nice and fresh and also cold. All right? So that's why it was always stored inside clay pots. Those clay pots were very good when we were using it then. Okay, so let me take it again from beginning to this part. Nene udu mara pụta mo, udu. Nene udu mara pụta mo, udu. Udunji chụọ mmiri Adana na gbawa udu. Udunji chụọ mmiri Adana na gbawa udu. Nene mo, udu. Nene mo, udu. Now let's go to the next page. Agamesorudula, agamatonakwa ewo. It means, will I perish with this broken pot? Will I be stuck crying? What it means is that the girl is helpless. She's been crying like, what next? Am I going to die crying over this broken pot? Am I going to die with the pots? Because I don't even know what to tell my mom. You know, that's the state of her mind. So she's singing, Agamesorudula, will I perish with the pot? Will I perish with the pot? Will I die with the pot? Or will I die crying? As in, where do I even go? What do I even do? Now let me take it gently. Agam esorudu la agamatonakwa ewo. Let's take it again. Agamesorudu la agamatonakwa ewo. Ewo nemu o agamatonakwa ewo. Oh, my mother, will I be stopped crying? Okay, so she's still crying. She's not gotten home yet though. She's crying on the way. Agamesorudula agamatonakwa ewo. Ewo nemu o agamatonakwa ewo. So at this point, some people came to her and tried to console her and told her it's okay, stop crying, it's okay. And she's now asking them, oh, my mother, will I be stopped crying? What will I do? And then she now asks them, if it were you, will you be stuck crying? Obuligio iga atonakwa. Aqua is crying. Obuligio iga atonakwa. So if it were you, will you be stopped crying? Now let's sing it to this part. Agamesorudula agamatonakwa ewo. Ewo nemu o agamatonakwa ewo. Obulugio igatonakwa. Obulumo agamatonakwa. So if it were me, will I be stuck crying? So the girl is still in a dilemma. She's still confused, like, if it were me, will I be stuck crying? How about you? Will you be stuck crying? Like, you guys should tell me what to do. Kini kange me? Like, will I die crying? So she's still confused. She doesn't know what to do. Okay? So let's sing this page all over again. Agamesorudula agamatonakwa ewo. Ewo nemu o agamatonakwa ewo. Obulugio igatonakwa. Obulumo agamatonakwa. Okay? Obulugio igatonakwa. Obulumo agamatonakwa. Alright? Obulugio. This is the tricky part of this song. So Obulugio anyagatonakwa. Now this anyagatonakwa is supposed to be the chant group singing it. Okay? So it's at this point that they say taking her home. Oh, come, let's go meet your mother. Don't worry, we'll go beg her. Okay? So she's crying, she's still on her way home, so she's singing Obulumo. Okay, she's singing Obulumo bulugyo anyagatana bulugibulumo. Just like I said, anyagatana is now the chant. Remember the chant group that was singing Udu, Udu, Udu. So if you're two singing it, the other person starts to sing the chant group, starts to sing the chant section like Udu. At this point, Udu has been changed to Anyagatonakwa, 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 Anyagatonakwa. So while the girl sings Obulimo, the chant group sings Anyagatonakwa. You understand? So let's sing it from the beginning. Obulumubulugyo anyagatanakwa. You understand? Then she will sing Obulugibulumo anyagatanakwa. Alright? And then she goes to her mother and she says, biko nne m o, aga m atọ n'akwa, ewo, aga m atọ n'akwa. Please, my dear mother, will I stop crying? And then at this point, she's gotten home. Her mother has already seen that the pot is broken. And she's been crying, and some people have joined her all to come and apologize to her and tell her, please forgive your daughter. And she forgives her daughter, so she gives her daughter a big hug. So that's the end of our story, folk song. So I'm going to sing it again from the beginning right down to the end. Sorry. I'm going to sing from the beginning down to the end. Okay, are we ready? Nene udu mara pụta mo udu. Nene udu mara pụta mo udu. Udu njicho mmiri ada n'ala gbawa. Okay, let's go. Nene udu mara pụta mo udu. Nene udu mara pụta mo udu. Udu njicho mmiri ada n'ala gbawa. Udu. Udu njicho mmiri ada n'ala gbawa. Udu nene mo udu. Nene mo udu. Aga m esoro udu laa, anyị ga-atọ n'akwa, ewo. Ewo nne m wo, aga m atọ n'akwa, ewo. Ọ bụrụ gị ị ga-atọ n'akwa, ọ bụrụ m, ọ bụrụ gị bụrụ m, ọ bụrụ m bụrụ gị anya. Biko nne m wo, aga m atọ n'akwa, ewo, aga m atọ n'akwa. Did you hear my chant voices? I had some people to chant the other side for me. Okay, so I want you to try it out when you come to class. I want you to sing it very well, okay? All right, so I'll see you some other time. Have a great day. See you. Bye.